I really appreciate everyone's time today. We'll be meeting at the same time again tomorrow, 8 a.m. Arizona time, which I think is 11 Eastern. And look forward to Jim. I see a question. Yes.
Yeah. I just like to make one final comment today, too. I think it's been really, really great, really informative. This is the kind of communications that's critically important. But I just wanted to say, remember Apollo 16 and look at the history of that. Okay, so we had good geological maps. We disagreed on the interpretation. When the astronauts went there, they were so well trained that John and Charlie stepped out and said, "Hey, we're not in Kansas anymore, et cetera, et cetera." And the funny part was that I don't know, many of you may have seen interviews with John Young. He had that Georgia Southern drawl, and he's probably the smartest astronaut among them. And so we used to be able to, when they were on their way back to the Earth from the moon, the flight director would let us in late at night to talk to them in the spacecraft. And so we're talking to Johnny, and he said, yeah, he said it did. We didn't see any volcanics. It was all impact cratering. You geologists are going to have to go back to the drawing board or wherever it is geologists go. You know, it's just great. I got you, Johnny. Yeah. Anyway, onward and upward. See you tomorrow.
Thanks for that. All right. Everyone have a good rest of your day. We'll see you bright and early. Excited to talk more maps. Bye, y'all.